Okay, so the way it goes for work problems is like John can pick apples, this many apples per day, and Sally can pick apples at this many apples per day. And how long will it take if they both work together? The general formula for these types of problems is 1 over Bob's time to complete the job plus 1 over John's time to complete the job is equal to 1 over combined time to complete the job. That's your formula for all of them. And if you have a third person, no problem. 1 over Pam's time to complete the job. That's it. You just have to make sure it's in the same time units. Like in this problem, it is, so it's all good. It takes Sally 15 minutes to pick the apples. All right, 1 over 15 plus Lisa can do it in 25 minutes. Definitely hiring Sally. How long will it take them to work together? 1 over x.
Now we need to find a common denominator between 15 and 25, which is 75. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom on the right by 3 and multiply top and bottom on the left by 5.
So you have 5 over 75 plus 3 over 75 equals 1 over x, and 8 over 75.
And just cross multiply.
You go 8x equals 75, and then over 8 over 8. And then x equals 75 over 8. So 8 goes into 75 9 times, which is 72, remainder 3/8. And don't forget your units, so 9 3/8 minutes. Only tricks you're going to get is maybe you have to find that number, or maybe you have to find that number instead of having to find that number.